And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The president of the Jamaica Intercollegiate Sports Association, Dalton Myers, has been forced to defend his tenure in the face of questions being raised over his stewardship in leading the organization.
This is the special Primetime Sports Investigative Report. Now here's your reporter.
In a one-page letter written by an anonymous source and sent to TVJ Sports, questions have been raised as to whether incumbent President Dalton Myers is still fit to lead the Jamaica Intercollegiate Sports Association based on the body's constitution. The letter received on Monday, July 17, points to Article 7 of INTERCOL's constitution, which indicates that only employees of member institutions, which number 22, can be elected to the executive. Myers, who at the time of the INTERCOL elections in 2015 was Director of Sports at the University of West Indies Mona campus, has responded.
They are what they are, allegations, and there's nothing to it. I think under the INTERCOL constitution, I was duly elected like the rest of the executive, and I remain the president. We have never had any thing from any of the institutions to suggest otherwise. So this is new to me and certainly unfortunate at this time for the body.
TVJ Sports sought the opinion of immediate past president of INTERCOL, Anthony Davis, who served for 6 years while being Director of Sports at the University of Technology.
What we need to look also at is, in addition to being elected, you have to be a member, as to whether you retain office being a member of an institution. All right, once that is established, everything is fine. So it is clear that you have to be employed, whether as an academic person or admin person, to be elected and to retain office. If there is going to be an issue, then the issue would really be whether at any point in time you have a break in your contract. Then that's something the legal people who would need to look at.
Well, we have gotten opinions on it, and the presidency is okay. That is clear. I think that part is more personal than any legal opinion, and that part is clear.
Myers told TVJ Sports that although he no longer holds the administrative post at the university's sports department, he says he continues to lecture on a part-time basis at a Mona-based institution. Checks with the UWI's Human Resource Department on Tuesday also confirmed that Myers lectured on a part-time basis in the Department of Government up to the end of Semester 2 2017. The HR official who spoke with TVJ Sports says it is unclear whether Myers will continue teaching next semester. Meanwhile, Myers also addressed concerns over the non-presentation of audited financial statements for 2 years and explained why the annual general meeting has been postponed from June to September 14.
Well, they haven't been presented for 1 year. The last AGM, the audited financial statements weren't ready, particularly because there was a change of administration, and no fault of the previous administration. We just needed to get all documentations, everything, and weren't ready at that point. Again, our auditors have said to us, hey, we cannot meet the timeline given because we need to get everything in place. But if you delay by a certain time, we can get them ready. And so we have set the AGM for September of 2017 and communicated that to all the members.
Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rena.
That was a special Primetime Sports Investigative Report.